My dear friends, welcome once again. Today let us sit together and reflect on something that may sound surprising. Certain fruits that, though sweet and tempting, may slowly weaken the legs of older men and women. Yes, fruits. Not all are as harmless as we may think, especially in the later years of life when our bodies are more delicate. As we grow older, one of the most important things we must protect is our legs. They carry us, keep us steady, and give us independence. Without strong legs, even the smallest journey becomes a burden. But sadly, many elderly folks unknowingly eat too much of certain fruits that quietly drain their strength. Let me share with you 7 of them, and why you must be careful. Number 1. Bananas. Now I know bananas have always been seen as healthy.
But for the elderly, eating too many can cause problems. Bananas are high in potassium, which is good in balance, but too much can upset the kidneys, which are often weaker in older age. This imbalance may lead to cramps, weakness, or even heaviness in the legs. So enjoy bananas, but only in moderation. Number 2. Grapes. Sweet and juicy, grapes are easy to eat. But here is the hidden truth. They are packed with natural sugar.
For elderly people, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes, grapes can spike blood sugar quickly. High blood sugar affects circulation, and poor circulation weakens the legs over time. If you must eat grapes, take just a few, never a whole bunch at once. Number 3. Oranges. Now, oranges are full of vitamin C, but too much can cause acidity and weaken the bones and muscles in the long run. Many elderly people notice aching joints or weaker legs when they consume citrus fruits excessively. The key here, my friends, is balance. Half an orange is medicine, 5 oranges are trouble. Number 4. Mangoes are the king of fruits, but mangoes carry a heavy load of sugar. As delicious as they are, too many mangoes can burden the body with excess calories and raise blood sugar, leaving your legs feeling heavy and tired.
An elderly body doesn't burn sugar as quickly as in youth, so be mindful. A small slice is enough to enjoy without harm. Number 5. Pineapple. This fruit is sharp, tangy, and refreshing, yet it is also acidic and can erode the stomach lining, causing discomfort and weakness. Over time, acidity can make the legs ache, especially for those with arthritis or weak joints. Pineapple should be eaten in small amounts,
and always after a meal, not on an empty stomach. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is mostly water, and while it cools the body, eating too much can drain your energy. It is also very high in sugar for its size. Too much watermelon may lead to frequent urination, dehydration, and tired legs. Elderly people who eat large bowls of watermelon often complain that their legs feel weak the next day. No. 7. Dried fruits, like dates and raisins. Here lies a hidden danger. Dried fruits are concentrated with sugar. Just a handful of dates or raisins carries the sugar of many whole fruits. This can cause a sudden rush of energy, but soon after, it crashes, leaving the body weak and the legs heavy. For older folks, this sugar crash is dangerous. If you must eat dried fruits, let it be no more than 2 or 3 pieces. Now, my friends, hear me clearly. I am not saying you must stop eating these fruits entirely. No. Each of them has good benefits, but as we age, we must respect the body's limits. The secret lies in moderation. What the young can eat in handfuls, the elderly must take in small slices. Remember, strong legs mean freedom. Protect them. Eat wisely, balance your meals, and choose fruits that give strength instead of weakness, such as apples, papaya, pears, and berries in moderation. So when you see bananas, mangoes, or grapes, smile at them, but do not overindulge. Let your wisdom guide your appetite. That is how we grow old with grace, dignity, and strength. Tell me in the comments, my dear friends, which of these fruits do you eat most often? Have you noticed changes in your strength after eating them? Share your experience, because your story may save another elder's legs. Thank you for joining me today. May your days be long, your legs strong, and your life filled with wisdom.